Good, was it afternoon, Facebook? It's Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and we're here in Garden Grove, and my guys are already applying the last coat. So let me go ahead and turn this thing around and show you guys what we got going on. Um, go back to the other videos, you remember a couple of different patches that we did here, but that's our color, Golden Pecan, and you see the screen's already got coat on it, got finish on it. We got this one right here, got the coat on it. See that finish? Right here, be all good. And let me just take you guys through, show you where we did the patchwork. But take a look at that. It's almost like if that was never there. So, wow, very, very different. Night and day almost. Oh, I'll take you guys back inside. So, wow, I think we replaced like, I don't know, almost 100 boards probably. We laced things in, we took wood out of that closet, we filled up all the gaps that were there, they knocked down that wall, we filled everything in, and wow, it's almost like if it was, like if it's been that way the whole time. So, very good work. Very proud of this job, and homeowner is very happy, extremely happy. So, yeah, we're just excited about everything. So, they're doing the last coat right now, and once it dries up, it'll look totally different. So, everybody have a great day.